Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys, so today we're going to be using this beautiful 4-page kit from Titsy Bitsy Sticker Co. Sorry about that. And I'm also going to be using Brianna Nicole's autumn stickers, Sassy Planner Co.'s therapy stickers. If you use Eileen 20, you get 20% off. And I'm also going to be using Semi-Lin Planning YouTube stickers, as well as the Sticker Shop Co. I'm going to be using some items from her samplers because I needed extra garbage stickers, trash stickers. Anyway, guys, so we're going to be putting down the day covers and this gorgeous washi. This is my first time using one of her kits, so I'm super duper pumped. I love the brightness. I'm not really like a bright person. Like, I'm more into the fall colors, so but these are cute. I like this. I like this bright, bold fall colors. These are really fun to work with. So I'm going to be using Brianna Nicole autumn stickers, her computer stickers, sorry. Even though my son is going in person, but I thought that this would be cool, cute, and works well with the spread. So I'm just going to write in school in between, you know, the small little space. I'm also going to be using the Maui. Those are the payday Mauis, but I didn't have my work stickers. So I said, you know what, there's enough of them. So let me use those instead of just going back upstairs and picking up my work stickers. So those are going to be to mark my husband's schedule. I am also going to be putting down, as you can see, the glitter headers and this cute little scene. Oh my goodness, I didn't want to break it up, but I had to because Wednesday is one of my busier days, so I had to make sure I wrote everything down. I'm sorry that I'm off frame. I'm just putting down the more glitter headers, and this is such a super duper cute kit. Those bent tweezers are from Sassy Planner Co. Again, if you use Eileen 20, you'll get 20% off. She does have a trash sticker, but I just needed like 2 more, so it worked out perfectly well. That's Maui taking out the trash from her kit. I also used some boxes from the monthly that I got. I didn't use all of them, and they matched perfectly with the October weekly kit. So I was like, I had 1 more sticker left, so I decided to use it for Saturday. At one point I was looking for a weekend banner, but that's okay. Worked out perfectly well. So now we're just gonna mark off YouTube on the sidebar like that, and then we're gonna put down the weekly check list and the 2 habit trackers that she has in the kit. And like I said, I'm gonna be using the school stickers and the Mauis for marking off school and work, and then I'm just gonna put more boxes for taking out the trash. So anyway, guys, if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.